Hey guys, it's Terry. Welcome back to my channel, Southern Yankee. I have been working in my home office slash living room all day, and it's been a beautiful 80-degree day out here today. So I wanted to come out here. I don't know what time it is, maybe like 6:30, quarter to 7. It's still light out before it went down, and I got my Stitch Fix box in, and I just asked Britt Hanlon, who's my stylist, to give me a bunch of pretty pastels in spring items. I have $50 credit. I don't know if that's sometimes they run $50 promotions. So if you guys used my link recently, thank you so much. The price is right on point with everything she sent, and I love each and every item. And so I may not be able to do the try on right now or today, but I wanted to at least get in. Oh, there's a bee by me here, wasp. Get. I at least wanted to show you guys the items. See the bee? Oh my goodness. Oh, he's on the screen. He landed on it. Get you little bugger.
Don't push him towards me.
I think he's a mean one. Oh, okay. I could edit that out, but I'm not. I'm gonna leave you seeing the bug. All right, so anyhow, I peeked. Here's your sneak peek. I got 4 items, 4 clothing items and 1 jewelry item. And I really like the items. So you have a little card that shows the items on it, and you have a letter from your stylist, and I just feel like she did such a good job. It did take a little longer to get this, and I emailed. It was supposed to be here Monday of last week, I believe it was. Yeah, last Monday. And I didn't get it until this Monday. It was a week late, and Stitch Fix said that some of their warehouses they're closed right now. Only certain warehouses they're shipping from, so there is a delay in getting a Stitch Fix right now for some locations. We're one of them, and I'm in Virginia. So let's start with this really pretty top. This is by West Key. I have a couple items from West Key. You are going to hear some cars going by. And I really like this. So it's just a little abstract design, a little crossover top, but then it kind of comes in on the bottom a little bit. And then you can see here it does have tie sleeve. This isn't my favorite. It looks like I'm gonna have to tie that before putting it on. It looks like that's gonna come off. They're not fully tied. But this is a beautiful blouse, and for right now, for working from home, I thought this would be really beautiful and just to wear with jeans for right now. It's like a pretty almost like a tan with a little touch of peach color to it. So there's that one. And then, and all these pieces are going to be great for like a work casual situation right now. This next piece is by Paper Moon. And again, it's got some pretty, it's a pretty floral design, a little tiny flutter sleeve. And it's got a really pretty sort of orange and mauve-y pink rose tone to it. This box is not fitting on my lap. There we go. So, and this is a really soft, just like knit. It's a really nice, oh, and it's a high-low. Didn't even notice that. So again, I can wear that with jeans, and that'll be fine. And it has buttons. What are these buttons? Oh, I didn't even realize that. It's got buttons all down the front. So, I don't know if they're functioning. Yeah, it looks like they are functioning. So you could probably open that up if you wanted to. I probably won't do that, but you could. All right. And then next piece is a beautiful bright piece here. This one is also by Paper Moon. These are all a medium, in case anybody's wondering, but look at the fun cutouts in the neckline here. It's got I like this. I think this is a different take on the cutouts. It's really pretty. It's like 3 teardrop shapes here, and it's a halter top, and I like the navy and the orange and the pink in here. I think this is going to be cute with jean shorts and, white ones or just regular navy. I think so this is a really cute top. That was one of my faves. You do have to wear a special bra with that one. And the last one, this is another pretty color. It's like a sage green, but this one is, we're still occasionally getting some chilly days. And so this is like a transitioning piece. So this is a striped knit, and it's just a basic until you get the back of it. The back has a really cool cutout design too. It's got a twist back. So there's the twist back, and I think that's pretty. It almost looks like It almost looks like a bow on your back. So that is the last jewelry item, the last clothing item, and then I have a beautiful piece from Nakamole, and Nakamole is a designer I know that we can get through Rocksbox as well, and they're pretty pricey, but they're beautiful, high quality pieces. And just look at how cute these stinking earrings are. Oh, I really, really like these earrings. I think those are going to be so much fun for the summer, and it's got, literally it'll go with the outfits because it's got bright orange and the aqua and hot pink and a teal. I mean, it's going to go with so many of the things that she sent me. So I'm probably going to keep these, so I am going to try them on with all of the items. I'm actually going to set them in here up against the white so you guys can get a better look at the colors in here. Aren't they pretty? So pretty. And I don't really have anything like that. And you guys know I like dangly earrings. So these, to have them in all these pretty colors for spring, I think in summer, these are going to be wonderful. I really, really like them. Each one of the Nakamole pieces is handmade, and it did come with it. Looks like they were made in Chicago. Yeah, Nakamole Chicago. It came with its own little jewelry pouch, and it says each piece is handcrafted using natural gemstones in a variety of colors and textures. Nakamole is inspired by the energy and spirit of the women around her. Her mission is to elevate their inherent beauty by making them feel unique every time they wear her pieces. So that's how you spell it if you want to look this brand up, but really, really nice pieces they have. So we are going to trial these on, and it'll be, just a second for you guys, and it'll be probably a day for me because we're getting ready to eat dinner. But I did want to pop in and quickly show you all the items and get to try them on so I can wear them for work, because I really truly love all the pieces that she sent. I really like them all. So all right guys, I'll see you all in a minute. Okay guys, it is the next day, and I have this cute little top on. I'm peeping it, spoiler alert. I wore it actually for work today, and I had just a little cardigan over it. Actually, it's from one of my, oh goodness, I'll show you, hold on. Look at Nitro in the back. He's passed out. All right, so it was my Dreamers cardigan, and I'm pretty sure these Dreamers cardigans right now are on sale on Nordstrom. If they are, I will link them for you. I'll link them either way in case you want one. I get so much wear out of them, but this is what I wore today. So I just wore a pair of jeans. I don't even match. I've got like these jeans on with the sides and the little top, and then the cardigan. I was like hot and cold all day, but this cardigan's really, really cute. So it does have buttons. This is the top button right here. So this part is open, and then it's got these little like a tiny like little flutter sleeve on the side. It comes up high enough here, and don't mind my mess. Our house is a little messy, but here it is. So this bra is showing here, but I do have a different kind of bra on today. I have a T-back bra on, so and it's pink and it's kind of see-through. You need to wear a nude bra under here or a white bra, probably nude or beige. It's a really, really cute top though, and it's super duper comfortable. So I've been enjoying this top. Let's try the rest of the tops on and the earrings. Okay, again, ignore the bra situation. Here are the earrings. They do match because they're, you can wear them. They're pulling like that orange color, which I think works with this little top. But I wouldn't probably wear these with this. This is too bright and these are too muted. I would actually pair these earrings, which are a pair of Druzy from Bubble Bar, with this outfit. But let me back up and show you this cute little top. So it's just a little wrap top. It is tacked right here. And what I did is I just knotted these so that I didn't want to tie them in a bow. I just knotted them, and I actually, this one's too loose. I actually knotted it while I was, while they were already on me, but they're good. They fit well. So I'm going to come in closer and pair you guys down a little bit. So it does have like a little band right here. There's a little bit of stretch, not a ton. This is sort of like a polyester blend, but it's got a nice crossover It does tack here, so it's not too low cut. I like it. It's a perfect little work top, and I can wear it with jeans while I'm staying at home working. And then just to zoom in on the earrings a little bit. Here we are. So pretty. Okay, we're gonna keep going. I'm gonna try on the other two tops that we have, and I'll keep the earrings in for the rest of the try-on. Okay, again, you're going to have to sort of ignore the bra. I don't have the right bra on for this, but this is the top. It's beautiful. It's got these really beautiful cutouts. It's a nice length. So here it is. Really love the colors. Really think this is a nice top. And you can, you can certainly, if you wanted, tuck it into something. I think that'd be pretty as well. I like this top. I like the pattern. I like the bright colors in it. I like the pretty cutouts at the neck. You do have to wear a special bra with it, so if that's something that's going to drive you crazy, you might not want to request this. For me, I'm comfortable with this, and I do have bras that I can wear. I have strapless bras. The best strapless bra I found has been from Wacol from Nordstrom. They have a convertible strapless. You can wear it with straps or without. That's my favorite, strapless, and I'm bigger, so it does keep me up all day and it doesn't slide down. So if you're looking for a good strapless bra, but this top is so cute for the summer and spring. I love it. And again, I think these earrings work a little bit better with it because it does have the navy in it, and it has some hot pink and orange in it. So it does sort of work okay with that. And then the next top I have is the long sleeve knit in that sage green. So we are going to try that on next, but I'll do just this so you can see the top a little bit better. Okay, and I'll be right back. Okay, I do like these earrings with this top, and this top has the cutout in the back, so you're going to see the T of my bra on here. So let me back up and show you. This is just a really cozy, soft sage green knit with stripes, and when you turn around, there's the back. It's really pretty, and it's really, really comfortable. I absolutely love every single thing that she got me in this box. So I'm gonna put the shirt I was wearing on when we started, and I'm gonna go over prices with you guys and let you know how much this whole box is gonna cost if I choose to keep it. Okay, I'm being lazy, I just stayed in this one, but let's start with this one. This is the Paper Moon Walita cutout detail blouse in magenta, or excuse me, in navy, in a medium. This is $38 regular price, okay? Then we have the West Key Coden Bandon bottom blouse. They're saying this is light pink in a medium. This is $44. To me, that's not, it's more of like a peachy taupe color, like a peachy neutral color, but they're saying it's light pink. $44. Okay. This is by Paper Moon. This is the Morgan's Ruffle Detail buttoned top in white in a medium. This is $44. The top I have on is by Pink Clover. It's the Peyton Twistback Detail knit top in light green, size medium. This is $38. And the earrings are the Nakamol Jacquard Crystal Teardrop earrings in magenta, and these are $38. So total, this came to $202. However, you get 25% off if you keep it all, and I have $50 credit. So minus the $50, oh, I have $50. I have the buy all 5 discount took off $50.50, and then my $50 credit came off, bringing the total to $101.50. So that's making every one of these pieces about $20 each. I saved $100.50 on this fix if I keep everything, and I think I'm going to. I like every single piece. I really, really liked every piece, and this was fix number 52 for me. So yeah, very excited about this fix. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll have put all the names up on the screen, and I'll put them in the description box for you, so that if you want to request anything from your stylist, you can. And I will also have my referral link down below if you want to use it. If you do, you get a $25 credit towards your first fix, as well as a free box. Free styling fee plus $25 credit, and I will also get $25 credit as well, so it's a win for both of us. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.